As per the new report from different sources, Redmi K40 will be renamed to Xiaomi Mi 11X for the Indian market instead of using the Poco brand. These new findings were disclosed by XDA senior member by snooping through build configurations of Redmi, Poco, and Xiaomi. This X branding will carry over to the Redmi K40 Pro as well, which will be known as the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. Note that these are not related to the Redmi 10X and 10X Pro. Interestingly, high-end Redmi K40 Pro Plus will instead be dubbed the Xiaomi Mi 11i, perhaps a sequel to India's Mi 10i that was released 2 months before. However, Mi 11i would launch in the international market first. First of all, the Redmi K40 is powered by Snapdragon 870 SoC, the first K-series smartphone with a Snapdragon 8 series flagship platform. Equipped with the powerful Adreno 650 GPU graphics processor. Snapdragon 870 SoC is overclocked version of last year's Snapdragon 865 5G processor. Vanilla Redmi K40 is designed with a 6.67-inch full-screen, tiny hole punch display for an extra-wide and uninterrupted edge-to-edge viewing experience. It also has a new model of AMO LED display from Samsung called E4 AMO LED, which reaches a peak brightness of 1300 nits while consuming much less power. Moreover, the phone supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and a maximum 360 Hz touch sampling rate. When comes to the camera hardware, the Redmi K40 features a standard 48MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, and 5MP tele-macro camera on the back. The 119 degrees ultra-wide angle lens has been better adapted to take awesome images of landscapes, buildings, and groups of people. The front has a normal 20MP selfie camera. Powered by a 4500 mAh large capacity battery, and support 33-watt fast charging, which can power them from low battery to 100% in just 52 minutes as per Xiaomi. Anyway, what do you think about vanilla Redmi K40? Let us know in the comment box below. Also, don't hit that subscribe button and bell notification for new video updates. Peace out.